Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hatsune Miku version 2.0 from the Friday Night Funkin Mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the face like this. Now let's draw the eyes next. Inside on the right, draw a curve. And then add a small curve at the end for the eyelash. Now draw an oval under and color it in black. Draw the other eye in the same way to the left. Let's draw the mouth next. Underneath towards the left, draw an angled line. And then a curve under that's angled toward the left side. Let's draw her hair now. Draw a curved V-shaped piece of hair in between the eyes. Now curve down on the left side. And add a curve across at the top. Now move over to the right side and draw a long angled curve down. Then at the top, draw a darker shadow under here. Now add the other side of this piece of hair now. Next, add a curved section of hair behind her right cheek. Hop to the top now and add another pointed piece of hair out to the right. Then continue this line across at the top for the top of the head. Let's add our hair tie now with two angled bent lines here. Now inside, draw a curve down. And then move back up to the top and draw a curve up. Draw the outside of her ponytail now with a long angled line down like this. Next, let's close off the section of hair to the left of the face. Add another piece of hair behind it here. And one more curve to the face. Hop to the top right now and draw a curve. And then a wavy line up. And now a long line down for the side of the ponytail. Let's leave her hair like this for now, and we'll adjust it and finish it later after we've drawn her body. Let's start by drawing her tie. Draw a square under the face. And then two angled lines down. Now add a V shape at the bottom. Let's draw her collar now. Draw curves on either side of the square. And then color these sections in black. Now add two pointed collars on either side. Next, draw two black rectangles on the right side of the tie. Let's draw her left arm now. Start with a curve at the top for her shoulder. And then a curve across at the bottom. Draw her sleeve with 2 curves down. And then close it off at the bottom. Next, add a border inside at the top and the bottom. Let's add her hand now. Start with the thumb down on the right. And then 3 fingers on the left. Next, let's draw the right side of her body down like this. Now at the bottom, add 2 V-shapes for the bottom of her shirt. Let's draw her skirt next. Draw 3 skirt panels starting on the left side and working your way over. And then add a border at the bottom of each one. Let's draw her other arm and hand now. On the top right of her body, draw a curve for her shoulder. And then a line down. Inside, at the top of the section, draw a small line across. Now draw the top of her arm going out to the right. Let's draw her hand next. Start with a wavy line down here. And then draw 3 fingers down on the right. Now draw the outside of the hand with 3 bumps. Close off the bottom of her arm now with a line under the hand to the skirt. Lastly, let's add the microphone in her hand. At the top, start with a curve. And then 2 short lines up. Next, draw a circle at the top for the microphone head. And add the curved detailed lines inside. Okay, now that we've finished drawing the top part of her body, let's finish off her hair. On the right side, curve the hair back into the microphone. And then draw 2 more curved sections underneath like this. Let's hop to the left side now. From the line we drew earlier, continue this line down closer to the arm. And then a point up. And add 1 more curve back down. Let's move to the outside line now and draw a small line up. And then a small pointed piece of hair down. And 1 more curve back down to the bottom of her sleeve. Let's draw her legs next. Draw 2 lines down on the left. And then close off the bottom with a curve. Now do the same thing for the right leg. Next, let's draw 2 curves at the top of each leg. And 1 curve at the bottom of the feet. And that's it for Hatsune Miku 2.0. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!